Welcome to our Korbond Studio tutorial for this week. We are going to make a blanket into a gillet. First, you need to measure from the centre of your neck to your shoulder. Next, fold your blanket in half lengthways, so that we have the corner of the blanket here. This will be your centre neck. We will now measure from the centre neck across to the measurement of your shoulder. We have measured across to the length of our shoulder and placed a pin in either side. Now we measure down from our shoulder point 25 centimetres and mark with a pin. This will be the top of our armhole. Next we measure 20 centimetres from the top of our armhole, and then that will be the bottom of our armhole. Halfway between these two markers of our armhole, the top and the bottom, we are going to mark our horizontal measurements for the armhole. I've placed 7 in the centre because our armhole width is going to be 14. I will now place pins at our armhole width. Now with some tailor's chalk, draw an oval meeting up all the measurements you have made. Turn the blanket over and repeat on the other side. So we've marked the top of the armhole, the bottom of the armhole, the middle, and then from the middle the two sides, and joined all of the measurements up with a tailor's chalk oval. Now you will have a blanket that looks like this. When laid out, we have 2 armholes ready to be cut out. Now our armholes are cut out. You can finish the armholes with a blanket stitch or with binding, whichever you prefer. Once you have finished the edges to your armholes, all that's left to do is pop it on. Now you have a beautiful waterfall gillet ready for the winter out of an old blanket.